In today's video, I will tell you how to use exclusive equipment fragments in Dark War to unlock powerful gear updates. First of all, we have to know what exactly are exclusive equipment fragments. Exclusive equipment fragments are special materials used to unlock or upgrade exclusive gear that give your heroes or units stronger stats and abilities. Step 1 is to go to your equipment menu. First, open your main menu and head to the equipment or gear section where your exclusive items are managed. The second step is to choose the exclusive equipment you want to unlock or upgrade. If you have enough fragments, the upgrade option will be available. The third step involves using the fragments. Tap the upgrade or unlock button, then confirm using your exclusive equipment fragments. This will either unlock the gear or increase its power level. The fourth step is to focus on upgrading equipment for your main damage dealers or strongest units first. Don't spread fragments too thin early on. The fifth step is a pro tip. Do not waste fragments on low tier equipment. Save them for high rarity exclusive gear for maximum value. And that's how you use exclusive equipment fragments in Dark War. Like and subscribe for more quick guides. Follow for more Dark War tips and guides.